Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel JCC Official. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a smooth and professional map zoom animation in Canva using First of all, open Canva. From the home screen, go to the Create a Design section. Here, select Video because we need a video canvas to create animations and transitions smoothly. Now move to the Elements panel on the left side. In the search bar, type World Map and make sure you click on Graphics, not Photos. From here, choose a world map graphic that looks clean and simple. Try to avoid maps with too many details because simple graphics work better for zoom animations. Drag the selected world map onto your page and adjust its size so it fits nicely inside the canvas. Next, change the color of the map according to your preference. You can choose any color, but make sure it looks clean and visible. Once done, duplicate this page. This duplicated page will help us create the zoom effect smoothly. On the duplicated page, increase the size of the world map slightly. Zoom in towards the country you want to focus on. In this video, I'm choosing India. Now again go to Elements and search for India map. Click on Graphics. And select a clean India map graphic. Drag the India map onto the page and place it exactly on top of India's position in the world map. Take your time here. Proper alignment makes the animation look professional. After placing the India map correctly, duplicate the page once again. Change the color of the India map if needed so it stands out clearly. Once again, duplicate the page. Now increase the size of the India map to create a deeper zoom effect. Change the color of the India map if needed so it stands out clearly. Once again, duplicate the page. Now we'll add text. Go to Text, click on Add a heading and type India. Adjust the text size according to the frame. Change the font to something bold and clean. Also change the color so it matches your map design. Place the text properly near the map. Next, copy this text and paste it on the final page. This helps maintain consistency in font and style. Make small adjustments if needed so everything looks balanced. Now comes the animation part. Select all pages one by one and add transitions between them. You can use simple transitions like fade or match and move for smooth results. Avoid using flashy transitions. After that, animate the first page. You can add a subtle animation so the map appears smoothly. Now, adjust the timing of page 2, 3 and 4. Keep the duration slightly longer so the zoom feels slow and cinematic. This step makes a huge difference in the final output. Once all timings and transitions are done, your map zoom animation is ready. Play the video once from start to end and check if the zoom looks smooth and natural. If everything looks good, click on Share, then Download and export your video in MP4 format. And that's it. This is how you can easily create a professional map zoom animation in Canva without using any complicated software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and
press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.